About this item: fast wall charger 20W PD USB Type-C power delivery wall plug. PD adapter 3.0 quickly charge USB-C port provides max 20W output power. Charge your device up to 3x faster than the original 5W charger, charging your iPhone up to 50% in just 30 minutes for iPhone charging, at 3A maximum. Helps you work efficiently. Apple MFi Certified Lightning cable with the Apple MFi chip. The USB-C to Lightning cord Thunderbolt cables equips automatic chip recognition function, full support with iOS versions. 20W USB-C charger Thunderbolt cables offers multiple safeguards automatically. Multi-charging protection keeps your device safe from overcurrent, overvoltage, overheating and short-circuiting. Applicable Apple equipment. Use the official iPhone 14 Lightning cable 20W USB-C wall charger to access fast charging for iPhone 14, 14 Pro / 14 Pro Max / iPhone 13 / 13 Pro / 12 / 12 Mini / 12 Pro / 12 Pro Max / SE. November 11, 2020 Pro / 11 Pro Max / XS / XS Max / XR / X8 Plus iPad, iPad Pro, iPad Mini, iPad Air. This Novabit Power Delivery 3.0 fast charger also charges for iPhone 7, 6 Plus, iPhone 5, 5C.